Hi, I'm Frank, sales manager here at Dry Guys Basement Systems, Woodstown, New Jersey. Today we're going to talk about foundation cracks and the use of steel I-beams to repair them. Steel I-beams are a rigid structure shaped like an uppercase I used in construction of skyscrapers and other steel buildings, and sometimes used for fixing a crack in your foundation to stop inward movement. A steel I-beam is not necessarily designed to be used in a basement. It is a product that has become used over time because it's what was available. We don't recommend it in a basement because of its rigidity. If it can maybe not stop inward movement, and it can break and bend because it's not designed to move with a basement wall that is in a constant flux of movement. We use a product called the PowerBrace. So the PowerBrace is also an I-beam, but it is engineered to flex and move with the wall of your basement.